whenever I am declaring a variable, the first problem we discussed about the primitive data types, there is a problem. Large number of variables declaration is a problem in the primitive data types. Using derived data types, that has been solved. That has been discussed, and we can see that here. So while declaring in a single line, I can declare n number of variables. That problem has been resolved here. And also we discussed how the variables will be allocated and how the indexes will be assigned and all the things we declared. And also we have been discussed about what is an array. Because of all these things, array is called as collection of homogeneous variables. Because of all these things, this is how that is happening. Because of that definition is there, not like definition is there because of that all are working like that. Because the working is like this, the way it is working is like that. Definition has been given like this. Homogeneous means same data type, same type of variables. Collection means multiple variables. Not a array is not a single variable. It's always collection of variables. So how to declare also we declare. And based on all this discussion, we can clearly see the first problem of creating like declaring large number of variables problem has been solved easily. That we can see. But how about maintaining and usage? Will that be seeing any difference here? The previous variable how we are using, here also we are using the same way. Any difference did you got here? In that case, how you say that maintaining has been resolved? Maintaining is not resolved still. Declaration is resolved, that I can clearly see. Maintaining is not resolved, correct? So how they given for maintainability? I'm going to tell you now. Up to here, if you clear now, I will go for the next thing. So the maintaining, I will tell you now. So you know now, right? I have a variable like this. For example, integer ARR is equal to new ARR, new int of 10. Now my variable name is ARR. My variable is not A. My variable name is ARR. I wanted to tell you that as well in this session. I can change the variable names like this. Whatever the variable name I wanted to keep, I can keep it there. It's not like only A, right? Always the variable name will change always. Okay. So yeah, this is how I have now ARR of 10 variables I have. Now how to maintain that is the question. So array is having a special facility. What is that? ARR of 0 will be always the first variable, and the 9 will be the last variable in this array, correct? So instead of 0 directly, I can use another variable. You're getting? So for example, I have another variable declared here, integer I, okay, is equal to 0. I assigned a variable 0 to I, okay. So this variable I can actually keep when I wanted to tell you the index, and is equal to 10 value I can give. So in this case, how it is considered? What is the I value? That value will be become the index of the variable. You are getting it or not? So whenever I change I is equal to 0, now ARR of 0 is equal to 10 will become. If I is equal to 10, then ARR of 10 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10 will become. So if it is the I value is equal to now, if I is equal to 5, then what is the location it is pointing now? ARR of 5. Are you getting? That means fifth location. That means sixth variable. ARR of 5 means how many, which variable? Sixth variable of an array, na? Sixth variable. 0 నుంచి వస్తాండేది ఇది. మైనస్ కాదు. 0 నుంచి 5 అంటే సిక్స్త్ కదా. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth variable. You're getting? So it is pointing to sixth variable. Like this, we can manage the variables. You're understanding or not? No, the managing means the usage. How we are using that? Like this, we can use. Whenever I have another variable, when I'm having another variable, if that way using that helping of that variable, I can manage the indexes of an array. So if I able to manage the indexes of an array, that will be very much helpful. So this is how it will behave now. Instead of giving directly the index of the array variable, I can use help of another variable, and that variable value I change, automatically the index will change in that variable and it will use like that. So this is the special character of an array. Because of this, I can easily use the variables of all the array variables. I don't want to declare directly. Directly also you can declare and use, that is not a problem. But if I use directly, then the efficiency of array you are not using. Nah? The efficiency of array means you need to use the efficiency of array. The efficiency is like this. We can have this kind of usage facility. So then we can use that, right? So using this, we can have an access. Getting now, because of this easiness, we can maintain the variables easily, right? So all these things are happen now. So I'm going to show you that in a example. Now I'll show you here. I'm declaring one variable arr is equal to new int of 10. Okay. So now arr has been declared. I just remove everything. I don't want to anything here. I just wanted to put like array demo is my method name. Okay. So I declared one array here. So I wanted to use that array. So I will use it like this. Array of, I have now 0 to 9, 10 variables I have, right? I have 0 to 9, 10 variables, 0 to 9, 10 variables I am having, correct? So arr of 0, arr of 1, okay? Arr of 3 also I can use anyway, but sequentially I'm going to use it like this. To understand, these are normal variables, no difference. So this is a normal usage. So now in this case, what you understood, this is just a normal variable. The declaration only we declare in a different way, right? Usage and all, I'm just pointing to the variable location directly so that I'm able to access the variable, and I'm just continuing with that. So what I'm doing here, I just taken one variable and assign 10, and another variable assigned 20, and another variable, two variables just added. You have 0 and arr of 1, and assign it to a of 2, and arr of 2 I'm printing. Just like ABC I used, a plus b I used, not like just like that, using array. Are getting? I'm just showing you here in this demonstration. This is just like a normal variables only. They are all normal variables only to demonstrate that this one. Okay, with that you will understand clearly. Okay, this is also normal variable. In that case, your problems and all will resolve. This is not a special variable. We cannot do anything. Conversion, parsing, everything we can do. It's a normal variable only. Okay. The way you need to use it, just you need to point to the location, which location you are actually talking, because there are multiple locations. 0 to 9 locations are there. You are storing 10 ARR of 0 you are storing now. You are using 5 means, will that work? In 5, what will be there? Nothing will be there. But you are, that is what you need to understand. That you need to understand here, which location you are actually seeing. Whether you stored in a different location and using in a different location. I'm now ARR of 0, ARR of 1, ARR of 2 is equal to ARR of 0 plus ARR of 1 I told. Instead of that, ARR of 0 plus ARR of 5 if I put, what will happen? ARR of 5, then nothing will have any variable. How it will add? It won't add anything. Na? So like that. That's and all you need to understand. Untin location ఉంటుంది, default value 0 ఉంటుంది దాంట్లో. ఇంటిజర్ డిఫాల్ట్ వాల్యూ 0 కదా, అది ఉంటుంది దాంట్లో. అది అట్లనే 0తో యాడ్ అయ్యి చూపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అది లేకపోతే ఎర్రర్ కొడుతుంది. 10 వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇన్ 10 వేరియబుల్స్ ఐ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎనీ నెంబర్, బట్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ 10 మీన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ త్రో ఎర్రర్, ఆర్ ఇండెక్స్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ బౌండ్ ఎక్సెప్షన్, లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ విల్ త్రో ఎర్రర్. ఐ విల్ షో యూ దట్ యాజ్ వెల్. ఓకే, నౌ ఐ am trying to compile it. Okay, I'm going here. I have all the things I will remove. So I have p now, p dot array demo. I wanted to call that method, right? So array demo I called. You are getting now in pen what is there with me? Array demo method. Now I have to use that one only. So I changed it now. I going to the D drive. Okay, so going to the command prompt. Java C. My first demo.java. Java. My first demo. Did you got 30 now? Guys, you are understanding or not?
Yes, no.
Okay.
Yes.
See that this is just a normal variable. Now I told you the efficiency of a variable of array, right? The locations can be able to maintain using another variable. So I'm declaring that variable which is for indexing purpose. That is called index 0, 1, 2, 3. Those are called indexes. What are they? Indexes. So what is the index of array? Like that terminology we should use. We can say it's an index or it's a location or like that, because the moment array will have always one name, still it is pointed to collection of variables. Then how I will identify collection of variables? Among them one variable, how I can identify? Using indexes only I can identify. So that indexes, that's where it is indexed. Always people will use I because I for index. Always for array whenever you are using array or whenever you are using loops and all, generally people will put the name of variable I only. Why? In the loop I means iteration. Iteration means one loop, one round is called iteration. Like that here also I, because index I wanted to put, or else you can put index also. This just like your variable name, right? That's up to you. Now see that I just use I is equal to 0 and I just kept I here. Now what happened? Now it is pointing to error of 0, right? I just continue with this only. I just continue with this only. I don't want to change anything. I just wanted to, because of here I just use another variable. But here if you see I'm directly pointing to the location only, AR of 0. Will that work or not? I'll see now. Okay. Try to compile now first. Are you guys are getting what I'm doing here? See. It is same only. If you're using variable or if you're not using variable directly or pointing also, it's locating to the same variable only. Now see how I'm doing it. I is equal to 1. Now what I changed here, the variable name, the variable value I changed. Here it was while I'm declaring I used I is equal to 0. Then here I used it. After that I changed the variable value I is equal to 1. I am using I here. Are you getting? Now I is equal to 2. I am using here. See that what I'm doing here? Are you getting what I'm doing here? So what I'm doing here, I is equal to 0. It will become a of 0 now. I is equal to 1. Here it will become a of 1 now. I is equal to 2. So here it is become error of 2 now. But here if I put I, what will happen? 2 will come. So I don't want to keep I again here, because I value is changed now. So if I keep it I and I here, what will happen? Error of 2 is equal to error of 2 plus error of 2 will happen. So that is wrong. So I don't want to put here. I wanted to put like this. Will that work or not? We'll see now. So that we'll confirm with the variable also I can manage like this. Are you getting? Any doubts here? Tell me.
Yes, no.
Are you understanding in or not what I'm doing here?
Yes.
Nothing will happen.
But I have one doubt, Mama.
Tell me.
See, whenever we are inserting values into array, so it will not directly take to 0 index directly. So it will take whichever index we will give, that index it will take the value.
That's it. It's not.
So other
It's
index
not
are,
necessary.
other index are empty.
They're all just default. They're all wasted now because we are only using 3 variables. We are using 0, 1, 2. Only 3 variables we are using. There are 10 variables, which is wasted. You can declare n number of variables. Whenever you are using, you will use it. All else you leave it. Because of you left it, it is wasted. Correct. So that means that's where you need to understand. You need to understand how many variables you need. Like that only you should declare. Now I have declared 10 variables. In the memory, 10 variables are there, 0 to 9. But you are how many variables you are using? 3 variables. You have 0, you have 1, and you have 2. 3 variables you are using, correct? Remaining 7 variables are wasted. You are not using. Still that is declaring and going off. That's it. You are getting like that. డిక్లేర్ చేయలే ఒకసారి డిక్లేర్ వేరియబుల్స్ చేంజ్ చేసినాం అంతే ఏం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిందా ఐ వాల్యూ చేంజ్ అయిందా లేదా ఐ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ఆ వేరియబుల్ అక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తున్నాను కదా ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ ద సేమ్ వేరియబుల్ రైట్ దట్ మీన్స్ దే ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ ఈస్ చేంజింగ్ ఇన్ టు లొకేషన్ యాజ్ ఎర్రర్ ఆఫ్ 1 and also after that again I value I changed right again I'm using what I only that means which location it is pointing now 2 right the value is 2 na will that taking it or not that is the only concentration that is the only understanding we need to do here getting so this is what the all about arrays nothing else now this by seeing this it's very difficult to understand but if you wanted to if you understand this go and practice it like this only for the normal whatever so far you guys are created things and all na? For that programs and all use the array and use this kind of things and practice and after that I will tell you how easily we can manage even using the and a variable how easily we can use it and all I will tell you later okay fine that's it any class this is arrays actually concentrate and understand the locations how you are actually pointing to the actual locations and all these things visibility is very important while you during your practicing you should visible that yeah indexes are like this and I'm pointing to this location values going there taking from there like that that visibility is there then you can use arrays like anything okay later I will tell you using loops and all how you do that easily we can because loop variable always there right I 0 1 2 3 loop will be there na with that loop with these things and all easily we can do we don't want to change like this anyway that will change na in the loop so like that okay
Okay.